Welcome to the world of organic gardening, where nature leads the way. In this video, we'll break down what it truly means to garden organically, covering soil health, pest control, biodiversity, and more. If you're ready to grow your healthiest garden yet, let's dive in. It all starts with the soil. Organic gardening means feeding your plants naturally. Compost, manure, and worm castings nourish the ground, creating a thriving ecosystem underground. Forget harmful pesticides. Organic gardening encourages natural pest control. Ladybugs, beneficial nematodes, and companion planting keep your plants safe the eco-friendly way. Water wisely. Sustainable techniques like drip, irrigation, and mulching conserve water and keep your plants hydrated without waste. A thriving organic garden isn't just about avoiding chemicals, it's about building a self-sustaining, balanced ecosystem. Ready to grow organically? Subscribe for more gardening tips.